What's up guys, it's Sava from SOS Kitchen, and today we're making kale fried rice. This recipe is super quick and easy to make, along with being very inexpensive and a great way to get in your greens. You can add tons of different things into it, but I'm going sweet and simple today. As always, you can find the recipe and ingredients in the description box below. The recipe starts out the same as my other fried rice recipes by cutting up some onion and slicing up some garlic. Nothing too crazy. Once that's done, put it to the side. Today we're using kale, so make sure it's washed and cleaned well. I tore it into bite-sized pieces and discarded any big stems. You can leave them in if you want, but like I've said before, I don't like trying to chomp through them. In a pan over medium-high heat, add some oil and then the onion and garlic. Put the kale right on top of it all. I know it seems like a ton of kale, but it really wilts down a lot, so you need it all. Add in a pinch of salt and a crack of black pepper and cook the vegetables, stirring until the kale is wilted down. At that point, you can add in your rice. Cold rice is better, but if you have to make rice for this, that's okay too. Add in some sambal oelek. You can use sriracha if that's all you have, but I prefer sambal, and then pour in some Golden Mountain seasoning. I'll show you the bottle, but Golden Mountain seasoning is a type of soy sauce with a really distinct flavor that I love to use in my fried rices. It makes it more of a Thai-flavored fried rice rather than just adding soy sauce. Stir everything around and cook it all together until the rice is heated through and the kale has fully wilted. My favorite way to eat this is with a sunny side egg on top and maybe a sprinkle of green onions to make it look pretty. This fried rice is so good, and I love the runny yolk mixed into the rice. The kale gives it a great texture and taste. The recipe is great if you want a quick meal or if you're on a budget and want something at least kind of healthy. Let me know if you make it, and please subscribe to Sweet or Savory Kitchen for weekly recipes with me. Thanks for cooking with me again. Bye.